Hey, so if you want to create clean, professional screen recordings without complicated editing, yeah, Tella is one of the easiest tools out there. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. First, go to Tella and sign up or log in to your account. You can use the web app or desktop version. Once you're inside, click on New Video to start a fresh recording project. Now, choose what you want to record, your full screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. You can also turn on your webcam if you want to record your face along with the screen. Click the record button, and Tella will give you a short countdown, then you're live. You can pause anytime and continue later, so no pressure to get everything perfect in one take. Here's what makes Tella different. You can record in clips instead of one long video. So yeah, you can redo small parts instead of starting over. Each clip becomes part of your final video, making editing way easier. After recording, jump into the editor. You can trim clips, rearrange them, and remove mistakes. You can also add backgrounds, zoom effects, and layouts to make your video look more professional. Tella also has AI editing tools that can remove filler words and silence automatically. Yeah, super useful. Once your video is ready, click Finish. You can share it with a link or download it in high quality. You can even embed it on websites or send it directly to others. So, yeah, that's how you use Tella to record, edit, and share videos in minutes. Once you try it, it's actually pretty hard to go back to traditional tools. If this helped, check out more guides like this.